So dear friends, now this is your turn to make a speech on one particular topic which was given in the afternoon. So I hope you all are ready with your topic. And I want to give the chance those speakers who have not got uh, who have not got the chance to speak yet. So Sujit, have you got the chance?
Definitely, sir.
You have already got the chance?
No.
Then
Not yet.
Nageshwar, okay. Sujit, then Nageshwar, then Anuj Delhi also. I'm really sorry for that.
No problem, sir.
Yeah, Sujit.
No problem.
Yeah, Sujit.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good evening, sir, first of all, and good evening, my all of friends. So I'll start from actually when I started the conversation in this platform, I faced chat by himself. So I'm not confident that time if I'll speak all over the world or in front of my native. So it was very tough for me. But nowadays, day by day, I'm realizing I can do it. And for that confidence, I'm getting from Prakash sir. And I believe that one day definitely I have to prove myself and I will reach my goal. And other thing is that it was tough for me because of I'm coming from West Bengal, so I don't know the fluency and the confidence on how to talk the English. So slowly, when I start from here, and I also realize I am also him like whatever the person is communication here in this platform. And now yes, sir, I can do it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So our topic is a challenging task you have did in your life. Where is Pankaj Ambe? Pankaj Ambe, are you here? Okay.
Yes.
Pankaj
Yes, sir.
Ambe, this is Q card of IELTS examination. Okay. Task 2.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
So shall I start, sir?
no. Now Anuj Delhi. Sorry, Nageshwar, Anuj Delhi, then Pankaj Ambe.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all of my friends. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I remember I had a dream in 2012 to go to the RIESI Bengaluru, Regional Institute of English. I tried many times, but I could not get a chance to go there. Working in a primary school, so um, in 2017, I got a chance to go there. Certificate of CELT, Certificate of English Language Teaching in Primary School. I went there and I had a great time there for 3 days, and I learned many things there, like teaching methods in primary school and phonetics and grammar and some methods. So I enjoyed a lot, and I made I got many friends from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana state also. So that was my dream to go there, and finally I went there and I learned many things. And now I'm attending some workshops on my district level, and I'm also giving trainings to my fellow teachers. So thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, really, Nageshwar is a nice teacher. He's a teacher, but he always tries to update himself. And he has also done so many trends
Sir,
to update his
one thing, sir. One thing, sir. Santaman asked. So Santaman asked about the word gimmick. That
yeah.
is a phonetic script. Gimmick is right, sir, not gimmick. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, so now Anuj Delhi.
Yeah.
Thank you very
Sir,
much, sir. Yes. Please, Pankaj, please, if you want to speak, you
no,
want
go
to say
ahead.
something.
No, go
Nageshwar,
ahead.
Anuj
Okay, I
Delhi.
continue.
Yeah.
Okay, I continue, sir. As we know, our life our life is a challenge. We born, and as we grow, we face many challenge in our life. Uh, if we talk about learn something like speaking English, or give interview, uh, we are going to give interview somewhere, or say out the examination, the board examination we give in our life. These all are challenging things we face. So I would also share my challenges that I face in my life. First of all, when I was growing up in my life, I have to move from one place to another place, with my family. That was a challenging moment for me, because I was emotionally attached, because I have many friends there, and environment very friendly for me there. Um and the second thing, if I talk about my examination, board examination, that time I was feeling very pressure, because uh, every person's parents expect from their child to perform well and get good marks in the exam. So that time had also uh, felt pressure to perform well in my exam. And the third was when completing my graduation, I decided to give an interview. So that time I was not very fluent, or you can say not good English. So, but I showed some courage and went to give the interview, and luckily I got selected in that interview. But I was a bit nervous when I was uh, sitting in front of an interviewer, because I had no idea before that what type of question he will, he would ask to me. That So I cleared that. I cracked that interview, and I completed that challenge. Uh, and if if I talk about the current scenario, the speaking English, to get the fluency in English is a big challenge for me. So I am trying to speak or participate as as far as I can do. Uh, these are my challenges, sir, and that's it. For giving me a chance.
So you
Thank you,
face
sir.
our challenges, and challenges makes us stronger. Yes or no? So
Yes,
should
sir.
we face challenges, or should we run away from the challenges?
Yes.
So we should not run from our challenges, but these challenges are the part of our life. If we cannot face this challenge, we cannot get success in our life. So we must face these challenges. It is necessary for our life.
Okay. So the more challenges you face in your life, the stronger you can be. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Definitely.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Okay. So now next, Pankaj Ambe, then Rajkumar Jaiswal. Now, Rajkumar is very silent today.
Okay. So
Because of
shall I start, sir?
Yes,
thank
Pankaj Ambe.
you.
Yeah. So topic is describe the challenging thing. Uh, well, I'm quite competitive by nature, and I take seriously if someone challenge me, and I put sincere efforts to meet the challenge. I never forget the time when my friends and my family challenge me to achieve a goal. I would like to talk about the that incidents. It was a time when I'm in 10th standard. 10th standard result got declared. My friends scores well in science. I hardly managed to pass in that subject. And my friends and my family suggest me to take commerce fields, not take science field. Science is not cup of tea for you. uh, but I want to continue my further studies in science fields. So I took my challenge, and my friends and my family. I told him uh, I I I uh, I I got flying marks in final exam. So I'm I'm studying hard, and then when in my final exam I got better marks other than this is my challenging task.
Wonderful, wonderful. So
Thank you, sir.
his parents were telling him, it's not your cup of tea. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Passed that examination with flying colors. He passed that examination with flying colors. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now this is Rajkumar's turn, but before that, let me tell you in 1 minute. I told you earlier, I did not study English in my school time, during my college days also. Okay, how I used to study, where there is a sentence of English, just I jumped out from the sentence and I started reading in my mother tongue. When I was reading the book of my mother tongue, and there was a sentence or word of English, then just jumped out from the word or sentence. Okay, but I faced the challenges, and now I'm so happy with this, and I have also set one more challenge for my life, and I want to face that challenge, and I want to be winner. Anyhow, I will be conqueror. Okay.
Correct.
Yeah, so now Rajkumar Jaswal, so silent today. Hello, Raj.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good evening, sir.
yeah.
Yeah. Actually, sir,
Still
my
there is no
challenge.
electricity. Still there is no electricity in West Bengal.
Yes, sir. Electricity here it's problem. Actually, in city there is no electricity.
Okay, okay, okay. So carry on, please, friend.
Yeah. First of all, good evening, one and all, and especially thanks to Prakash sir giving this opportunity. My challenging task was after my completion of BTech. Actually, I was from Hindi medium, and as you know, I was belonging from village. Then it was difficult for me to attending the interview to get the job. Then I have the one option whether I will go for the higher study or whether I could do the job. But I have found that I was not that much compatible to get the job. Then after that, then I decided, okay, better it's a good opportunity to go for the higher study. There I can improve my skill and I can compete the competitors. After for that, I started preparing for the GATE exam, and 1 year my challenging task was to qualify the GATE exam. Then 1 year I prepared the GATE exam in Kolkata, and I took the coaching here. And during that time, as you know, I belongs from the middle class family. Then I took the coaching tuition classes for the students, and that was the difficult situation for me because I have to attend the classes as well as I have to take the tuition to earn some money so that I can survive my life that time. And at last I qualified the GATE exam also in 2013, and I took admission in my MTech. And after that, getting my admission, I got such an environment where there I could improve my English and I got more confident. Okay, in future I'm going to be sir, I'm going to be Means whatever the dream I have dreamt during my childhood, I'm going to fulfill it. And this was my challenging journey, and now I'm hopeful, very happy. And after some time, I qualified the one of the toughest exam, that's called NET exam, UGC NET exam. That thing also qualified last year. Up to this time, my journey is I'm very feeling good after that. And for this platform giving me opportunity to enhance my skill day by day, it's very recommendable platform where I'm getting lots of opportunity to interact with the native, non-native speakers, and I'm very happy to be part of this genuine platform where directly, indirectly there is the no relation of the any personal particular benefits. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, one and all.
Great, Ms. Rajkumar. And personally, I enjoy when you are on this platform. You are always cheerful. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Rajkumar is always cheerful, and he makes the environment very friendly in our in this platform. So
yeah, actually, sir, I'm very motivated from you. I am very inspired from you, and I'm willing from that. And I discussed my HOD also. Ki you give 1-day session to our college student to the 3rd year, final year. Then I'm requesting today if you are feasible to take the session 1 hour to our final and 3rd year student. It is very happy for us. I actually yesterday I talked with my madam in charge HODs and all. Then they told, okay, if sir is ready, then it's very good opportunity for us.
Okay, we will make a plan. Okay, so now I have been
okay, sure, sir.
I've been observing here 3 speakers have not got chance yet.
Yeah.
Piyush has been listening to us for a long time, and Seema Urane, and one more is here. I have forgot. Okay, Pankaj Misra or like that. Who is? Yes. No, he has left now. Yes, Jitendra Yadav. Sorry. Yes, Jitendra Yadav. So first of all, I would like to go to Piyush Bihar, then Seema Urane, then Jitendra Yadav. Okay, so you can also share your how did you face any troubles in your life? Then how did you face means the challenging tasks you did in your life? Sorry. Yes, start. Piyush Bihar.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. Sir, actually here is no network, and last night I leave no stone to unturned the joining the session, but I can't because here is yes, sir, I couldn't, but because here is too heavy running and no network, so I couldn't join. And the challenging thing in my life is to passing the 12th examination of mathematics, because I'm a student in 12th in science, but I don't know the reason to solving the maths trigo and some relation and functions chapters, because it's too difficult to relating the situations, and I can't make the questions how to solve. And but my teacher is too honest. He give me very much time to solving the questions, and he comes at home to solving the question. If I have any doubt, he clear my all doubts. So I thanks to him, because he sometimes he watch me through this channel, and this is all, sir, for me.
Okay, good. So you face these all things. Wonderful. Okay. So now Seema Urane, then Jitendra Yadav.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Yeah, very
good evening to all. Yes, you hear my voice, sir?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. I'm regularly follower of your YouTube videos, sir, and I'm really the videos are really is useful for my improving my English, sir. So today's our challenges. Okay, yeah. Our challenges uh, which we faced, and it turns our life what we are today. Okay. Um, my challenge which I faced in my past life, that is when I enter in one school, respected school, as a teacher, and from there my life will change so much, sir. It is a Kerala school, and when I enter that school, um, I haven't any knowledge of how to teach and how to speak and everything. The language also. It was a Kerala school. That's why I couldn't manage with them. But after some period, our Somi sir, which is management officer of that school, he gave me lots of courage and teach me how to handle the situation and become out based out of waste from me. Yeah, I am that time waste, I think. So he make me a diamond, and thankful to him what I am today. I'm not teaching there, but today I'm teaching in another school, and there I hope I am a English teacher there, and I am teaching very much nicely, sir. And now it's my challenge in this lockdown period, that is to improve my English language better than past life. And you are my you are for me, and you make my English nice. Okay, for that, I would like to say thank you. Give me this opportunity to speak with the people. This is my first time. That's why I'm feeling very nervous, sir.
So thank you very much
Are
for
you here?
joining us.
Here, ma'am?
Yeah. Thank you very much for joining
Okay,
us.
okay.
Where are you? Basically, where are you from? You taught in Kerala, but where are you from?
I'm Verapur, sir. It is okay. I'm Verapur. It is in Maharashtra. It is so it is in Solapur district, sir, in Maharashtra.
Okay, okay, okay.
I'm from Maharashtra.
Okay, that's why. That's why. Then you
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much to listening me.
Okay, good. So we all have accepted this challenge during the lockdown period. We all have decided to improve our English during the lockdown period. And that's why this is our effort. And day by day, we are getting progress in this language. We are learning new structures. We are learning new words, idioms, phrases, everything. And we all are learning from each other. Okay. So again, thank you very much for joining us. And you always welcome to our online platform. Let's talk in English with non-native English speakers. So at last, I want to go to Jitendra Yadav. Yes, dear friend Jitendra Yadav, now this is your turn.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes. So very good evening.
Okay. So I would like to tell you something about my previous experience when I completed my intermediate study. So one challenge was in front of me, that I have to get a government job as soon as possible to support my family. And so I joined a course launched by Industrial Training Institute, that is called ITI. So I did 2 years course in fitter trade by ITI, and then 1 year apprenticeship training from government uh, PSU company. And then I studied and practiced for competitive exams that time. And I'm very lucky that at the age of 21 year, I got a government job in a Maharatna public sector undertaking. So I'm working there since 6 year. I'm basically from Uttar Pradesh, but I got job in Hyderabad, Telangana, in 2014 January. I was 21 year old. So after 3.5 years, luckily I got transferred to my hometown because the same company is also near my hometown. So since 2 years I'm working near my home, but this time since last year I uh, I decided to do something more challenging task. I started again my study, and because I got this job after only 12th exam, and I did only ITI course, so I could not complete my graduation at that time. So I started again my study since last year, and this year I am in graduation second year, BA second year. I'm writing the exam, but due to the global pandemic, this lockdown, so my exams is stuck down in meanwhile. Okay, so now I'm completing my graduation, and I took a challenge to clear state civil service exam after finishing my graduation. So I am completing my graduation and preparing for state civil service exam. So this is something I achieved, and I believe in working hard and practicing every moment. We should learn every time when we get opportunity, because I'm from a Hindi medium school. Since my schooling, I got basic primary education also, even after up to 12th class I studied in Hindi medium, so I could not get any opportunity to interact in English, but uh, I want to speak in English, but I could not get any opportunity. So it was very difficult for me. So I found your channel on YouTube, because I was searching some videos like how to speak, how to understand. So when I was only listening the videos of some Americans or British persons, so uh, uh, I uh, I can easily understand what is he saying. I can almost 90% I can understand, but I don't know how to speak, because I don't have any person to speak. So when I got the chance to join your group, so I'm very lucky that you respond me, and I'm here. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much, Jitendra Yadav, for joining us. And really, you have a great patience. Actually, you listen everybody silently. That's why everybody listen to you silently. And one more thing, just keep learning and keep
Thank you, sir.
updating yourself, because no one is too young to study and no one is too old to study. Okay, because there is no
Yes,
end
sir,
of learning
definitely.
anything.
Yes,
The
sir. Thank you,
inspiration
sir.
is sir,
Yeah.
because he is a successful person in his life, but he is still learning.
Okay, so okay, always I whenever I make my video, always say this is my way of learning English. Okay, why? Tomorrow also I'm going to tell this. Rabindranath Tagore has told, teaching is impossible. Again, I want to repeat, teaching is impossible. Only learning is possible. Why? If teaching is possible, then the great, a gold medalist teacher teach and all get the gold medal. Is it possible? Same teacher teaches in the same class, but all gets different marks. Why? Because teaching is not possible. If teaching is possible, then all get the same marks. Only learning is possible. That's why I always say, this is my way of learning English, and this is also the way of learning. Whenever you watch videos on YouTube, you can get only the one type of practice, only listening practice. But here, you listen from different 25 minds, and you also get chance to practice your English. Okay, and when other speaker also speak, you also, you know, your brain is going on, the process is going on. If I get chance, then how would I speak? If I got the chance, then how would I speak? Yes or no? So practice is going on in your brain. But when you listen only video on YouTube, then the process is not going on. Just casually you are listening and it's okay. Listening and it's okay. Yes or no? So one-way process, but here is a two-way process. That's why in
So you pick out the exact point which we need for learning English language. Sir.
Yeah, sorry?
You pick out the exact point which we need to learning English language.
Definitely.
Communication is the exact point which we need. We wanted to speak another person which tells us what going wrong in your speaking.
Yeah.
I live in a rural area. There is no another person who speaks so much nicely in English language. That's why I don't know how to speak. And, am I correct to speaking? That is why I don't know. And you are the first person whom I speak with, sir. And that is the exact what I wanted, sir. And that exact
Okay.
and that you pick up.
Okay, your voice is not clear. So all dear friends, now we have only 6 minutes left in this session. And I think Ratesh Poonj is left to talk in this session. And if we get chance, then if you have a rest of time, then you can get chance to talk about your challenging task. Then Sheikh Akhtar be ready after this. Ratesh Poonj, are you ready?
Sorry, sir. Today my health is not. I'm not feeling well, so that's why, sir. Sorry, extremely sorry.
Then I would like to go to Sheikh Akhtar. Then Ranjana Goswami be ready.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
If we have extra time, then if anybody wants to speak, then raise your hand. I will come to you.
I can.
Okay.
I can.
Yeah, Sheikh Akhtar.
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me the in my life, I don't think that I have gone through any the difficult challenges. Yeah, we can say that at every next moment we can get the challenge. We can face the challenge, but the thing is that it depends upon our psychology. That in what way you are going to take that. Whether you are going to take that as a challenge or as an opportunity. I think for me, I never took anything in my life as a challenge. I have always thought that it is an opportunity for me, but for that to make it more productive or to make it into your success, you will have to be positive for that challenge. So apart from that, I think for me, I think the challenge was that when I started my startup, and we worked there for 2 years, and we were really working hard, and that was very productive. We were earning a good amount of money, but when I decided to came into the came into for the civil services examination. So I think that was really a challenging moment for me, because I was not so sure that my parents will allow me that just because I was stable at that time, and I think that's why I was a little bit doubtful that my father will allow me to leave the stable job and work and go for the preparation, because I think in civil services preparation the success ratio is very less. Uh, uh, every year about 9 to 10 lakh aspirant used to fill up the form, and about 6 to 7 lakh used to attend in that examination. And the total seat for UPSC Civil Services is, I think, about 900 to 1000. If somebody is willing to to acquire the designation of IAS, then there is only I think 100 or about 100 seats over there. So I think it is a challenging task for all the aspirants to acquire the IAS designation. So I'm really working hard to achieve that. Thank you very much.
Good. Now, Ranjana Goswami, we have 2 minutes left, and Ranjana Goswami, please be ready.
Okay, sir. So the challenging things what I did was that when I was in 10th class, I filled a form for Polytechnic exam, and when I got selection, then I got government college. As I also told you, I was living in village, so when I took admission in college in city, um, so I saw a student was 12th and graduation level. So for me, so there was a problem to understand maths for me, maths and technical subject, because most of the student 12 base, and I did not had my 12th degree, so my basic was not clear, and I could not join coaching because I was living in hostel, and there is not allowed to go outside for coaching. So it's happened only in first year. Mm, and so because in first year physics, chemistry, math, these are 12 based subject. So when teacher was teaching, they thought student understanding, but I pretended to understand. So most challenging thing that I did was overcome my fear, and it taught me that it was okay to not know, and constant effort I reach my goal. So sir, it's only happen in first year, and after second year, third year, I will I could understand. And English is also most challenging thing for me. So when I was joined that platform, so I was